Okay, y'all, we are back with yet another makeup tutorial. This one is featuring this gorgeous dark blue shadow because it was actually requested by one of you guys, so I hope you like it. And let's just go ahead and jump on into it. So, starting off, first things first, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop So Jaded Palette, and I'm going to use that dark blue shade in there called Sapphire, and on a Morphe M506 brush, which as you guys know is my favorite tiny little blending brush on this planet, I'm going to start mapping out my shadow shape. So essentially I just take a little bit and lay it down. I'm kind of making this more winged out and elongated, but you can obviously make it more circular and blown out if you want to. Just depends on your comfort level as well as your eye shape. And I'm just gonna kind of go in with a little bit of product, blend it out, and then continue to build it up and blend it out until I'm satisfied with the color payoff. And then after you are satisfied with the color payoff, I then just go in with a clean blending brush and make sure I buff out all the edges because of course we do not want any harsh lines with this look. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Bite Size palette in Hot Jalapeno, and I'm using this gorgeous, it's like a greeny gold glitter. It's so stunning, you guys. And I'm just going to pop this all over the rest of my lid. I'm then going to take this NYX eyeliner in the shade Cosmic Yellow and line my waterline with it, and then dip right back into that e.l.f. palette using the deep green shade. And I'm going to take a flat definer brush and push this up close to my lower lash line, and then I'm going to switch to another Morphe M506 and then just buff that shade out. You can buff it out as much or as little as you want, but do make sure that you connect it to the blue on the outer portion there. I definitely think that makes it look really nice and seamless, and the colors mesh so well together. I then decided that I was going to take the shade Turquoise from that So Jaded palette and just go over my edges with it, just to kind of help blend them out a little bit. I just felt I added a little touch to it. You can skip it if you want. And then of course your girl's going to pop on a coat of mascara. You don't have to pop on falsies if you do not want to. But as you already know, your girl's gonna pop on some falsies, okay? I'm going in with the House of Lashes Iconic Lights today. These are some of my favorite lashes. They are so comfortable to wear, and they really do flatter almost any look that I do, so I highly recommend them. And then I decided to take that greeny gold shade from the e.l.f. palette and just go ahead and put that completely in my inner corner as well. I just felt that that looked way better than any other regular highlighter would. And then just for the last final touches for the rest of the face, which I do have every product that I used on my face down in the description bar, so check there. But I popped on a little bit of my e.l.f. Always Rosy blush along with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dripping in Gold highlight. And then you don't get to see me apply my lip in this video because your girl just did not zoom out far enough for you guys to see it, okay? I don't know what I was thinking, but I did apply Celebrity Skin from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then this is the completed makeup look, you guys. I'm absolutely in love with it. I've said that with almost every look that I've done, but for some reason I have fallen in love with doing my makeup all over again. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Definitely let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you know you want to. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!